This is the second part of the quality indicators. For this piece, there are two possible questions, exam guidelines. You will either be asked to explain or discuss how quality of performance can contribute to the success and or failure of each function, or outline the quality indicators for each business function. It's exactly the same answer, just two separate questions. Take note of that. And put differently to help you understand this, I'm basically asking you for HR, for management, for whatever business function, what can the business do for that specific function to perform at its top quality? In other words, what are some of the things that needs to happen to achieve quality? Look at my public relations. Guys, I always say the better the appearance of the buildings, the more professionally the phone is answered, the quicker the service, the better the workers look, the better your public relations function. Because people tend to make assumptions about a business on the way it looks or operates. If there are negative publicity, in other words, a post that went viral on Facebook or whatever the case may be, deal with that very quickly. Try to avoid any negative publicity. Do some positive press releases yourself, where you do some corporate social investment programs by donating money to a charity, and then send that to the newspaper yourself, or invite them to come and see what you are doing. Give positive feedback that you have gotten from customers that were happy. Put that onto your Facebook in order to help your business image. And then the best way for you to get a good public relations function, a good image, is to deliver high quality goods and services. Because quality sells the product. If I'm happy about a product, I'm going to tell everyone else. So make sure that you have quality. Financial function, make sure that you get money, if you do borrow money, from reliable, suitable sources. In other words, no micro-lending or loan sharks. If you do borrow money, negotiate better interest rates. If you put money into the bank as a savings, negotiate better interest rates. Draw up budgets and make sure that your workers and the people who work with the money stick to those resources. Keep your financial records up to date. Make sure that you pay your tax correctly. Because if you do, you are avoiding any form of penalties, extra costs. Analyze strategies so that you can try and increase profit. In other words, produce better quality but at a lower cost so that you can make more profit. And then make sure that your financial statements are drawn up correctly but also regularly. Don't wait for it to be due and now suddenly you want to go record all the transactions. You are going to make mistakes. In order to get my administration function up to a very high quality, make sure that you have a system that can capture data quickly and reliably. And also make sure that that same system, if you look at the last dot, can find the information for you quite easily. Make sure that the information that you have is reliable so that management can make quick decisions. And also, if there are complaints about administration, deal with that quickly and effectively. And guys, there are wonderful applications and systems available, technology available in order to handle your administration for you. There's no need for you to keep all of these files, and yes, you need to have printed out document because we all know internet and the cloud, etc. can fail, but technology can help you. And if you do keep items printed out, keep them neat, keep them orderly so that you can recall it very quickly. One human resources function. In order to have a good HR function, you need to have a very good recruitment policy. Because if you recruit good quality workers, that cancels all of your other problems. Make sure that whatever selection process you use is fair and equal for all people, if you have good remuneration packages will draw workers to you. Make sure that you offer workers incentives or bonuses because that will cause them to work harder but also cause them to want to apply at your workplace. Have a good relationship with your workers and promote a low staff turnover rate, meaning keep the workers there by your business for as long as possible because that will save you a lot of money because remember you are training them, you're putting effort into those workers. And if they keep on going, they take the training with them.